Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see bubble sort algorithm. So what is bubble sort algorithm? It is a method of sorting an array either in the ascending or descending order. So I have an array which is having numbers which are neither in ascending or descending order. Now let's sort it with the help of bubble sort in ascending order. There are five numbers, and so we have four iterations to sort this particular array. In iteration 1, the first two numbers, I've given it in orange, are compared. If the first number is greater than the second number, swapping happens. In this case, it is not so, so it retains as it is. Now, second and third number gets checked. Second number is greater than the third number, so 20 goes here and 2 comes here. Then 25, 5 goes here, 20 comes here. 20 and 1, 20 comes here and 1 comes here. So at the end of iteration 1, the largest element, that is 20, has occupied the last position. So this is the sorted one. The green is the sorted one and blue is the unsorted array. And now iteration 2. The first two elements are checked. 15 goes here, 2 comes here. 15 and 5, 15 is greater than 5, so 15 comes here, 5 goes there. Then 15 and 1, 15 comes here, 1 comes here. So the second largest element has occupied the position from the last. So 15 and 20 are sorted, 2, 5, 1 are unsorted. Now let's go to the third iteration. First two elements are checked. So it no swapping happens because first element is less than the second element. 5 and 1, 5 gets swapped and 1 gets swapped. So 5, 15, 20 have been sorted. In the third iteration, three biggest numbers have been sorted. Now let's go to the fourth iteration. 2 and 1. So 1 comes here, 2 goes there, comes here, and then it's sorted. So all the elements are sorted in four iterations. So if you have five numbers, n minus 1 iterations will be there. So in this way, but with the help of bubble sort, this array or list has been sorted in the ascending order. So this is how bubble sort works in Python.